Rosie.
Sarah, this is me talking to you. I have to pee really bad, so make your course quick so I can go piss my brains out.
Like,
Vroom, vroom.
there you go.
Keep her going.
You prove that it's enough.
Get her done, Sarah Lynchburg.
You prove it that it was her fault.
Cowboy, cowboy, cowboy.
Bam! Rosie can power.
Rosie!
Rosie!
Rosetta Stone!
I'll learn the language in 10 weeks. Oh. Bitch. Smack her with a crop. You get that pony done. You get it done.
You got it, Sarah.
You got it. You can do it.
Yes, Sarah.
I like that I heard some from you. You get it done.
Mine, get this shit done.
Yes.
Get it.
Yeah!
You get it done. Get it done. I can't stand it.
Woo.
Get it done. Get it done. Get it done.
Woo.
Yeah.
I love these long spots. They're gonna make for some good pictures here.
Yeah.
So cute.
Woo! Yeah!
Get her done. Yeah. Get her done.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you though.